Crunchy, garlicky, and irresistible, you're not dealing with the average green beans anymore. We're gonna start with a move that brings these green beans from decent to addictive. Golden panko breadcrumbs. Melt your butter with a spoonful of garlic confit oil until it starts to froth. Then sprinkle in your panko and paprika and just wait. Toast until it crackles and smells like smoky popcorn, seasoned to taste. It's simple, but it changes everything. Now, if it was any other day, I would just cut these garlic bulbs in half, let them simmer in oil for about 20 minutes, and there you have it. But this time, I'm going to use the cloves and incorporate it into our smoked eggplant puree. The garlic clove is going to be sweet, umami, and savory. Why not use it? As you let them simmer for about 20 minutes in vegetable oil, we're not only coaxing out the sweetness and mellowing out the punch, we're turning it into gold. Now these are from a local farm. I have green and yellow, and if you're lucky, you can even get purple beans. After cleaning and trimming those green beans, chopping your garlic, and pouring in that golden nectar that we made earlier, it is time to cook. Well, we're going to be shallow frying them until they blister. Towards the end, we're going to be adding in our freshly sliced garlic so that it doesn't burn. You can put them on a Scott towel and toss in your paprika breadcrumbs, and there you go. This dish was heavily inspired by a Montreal restaurant that closed not too long ago, so I'm trying to keep the magic alive with this, and I'm excited to show you my remix. Next is our smoky grilled eggplant puree. I'm gonna just lightly score it. Look, all that moisture, it's bitter. Tastes nasty. I'm gonna start to grill them on the barbecue, and then I'm gonna finish them in the oven. Similar process as before, but this time we're just gonna deep fry them outside at 350 degrees. And I'm gonna be mixing my breadcrumbs with sesame seeds, fresh oregano, and thyme. So whether it's a quick dinner side dish or it's date night and you want to make something a little bit fancier, I like sharing these recipes with you guys. If you want to see the next one, make sure to subscribe, and bon appetit.